Assalamu alaikum. I hope so. You're all doing good. Today I'm not presenting my lecture on the slides, but today I just want to explain preposition of place in, at, and on with the help of this diagram. This is a country, and for the country we use in India, in Pakistan, in Bangladesh, in Malaysia, and in for the city, just like in Lahore, in Jehlam, in Islamabad. But the streets and roads which are located in the city we use on, and the buildings which are located on the streets we use at for them. Okay, this is a small activity in for Lahore. Parlor is a building, so we use at for the building, and 24 Oxford Street, so we use on for the street. I hope so. It's very easy.